The YouTube Tamil game is on, and I'm your host CGR, back with another episode number 11. The game continues. Okay, so we have done 10 episodes already, and we are very close to hitting one stat that says that we will be in top 10 total podcasts in the world. The stats comes from the webcaster.com. It says top 10% of the world's most successful podcasts are made up of only 2 lakh of them, of which 90% of them will also be dead by the time they have reached episode 20. Do you read? Most of the 90% of them will also be dead by the time they have reached episode 20. So we have to go only 10 to reach top 10 in the world. No one's watching, no one cares, but we'll be in the top 10 episode. And the game will continue and people will watch. Okay, I will continue the game. So now, point number 3, consistency. I need to be consistent at this. You need to be consistent at whatever thing you do. I need to be consistent at a few things that I choose. I need to be consistently make an effort. I need to be consistently eat right. I need to consistently make better designs. I need to consistently try to make videos. So yeah, consistency won't guarantee that you will be successful, but not being consistent would guarantee that you will not. Consistency will not guarantee that you will be successful, but not being consistent will guarantee that you will not. So that is a very good quote that I heard from one of my famous mentors, one of my favorite mentors, and he's famous too. He just reached 2 million subscribers, Chris Willix, or aka Chris Williamson. So I'm gonna commit to this, and I'm gonna make this YouTube thumbnail game a big thing. Let's see, big thing. I'm gonna commit to this. But one thing that comes when you're creating content, like many people are, how will I get ideas and about what to make videos on, what to have a podcast on. So about that, my thought is that I think there are billions of ideas, there are billions of topics to create videos on every small little things, and the YouTube thumbnail game is a very, very big and important game. Everyone, they see Amazon, Alex Hormozi, Gary Vaynerchuk, all of them use the best powerful social media platform, #1 YouTube, which is also a search engine. So this is a very, very important game. So, next point. If I am not gonna, let's say I don't find any topics whatsoever, and let's say by the 100th episode I am finished with all the possible topics that can be covered on this topic, I'm just going to take it to 1,000 by just breaking down 1,000 thumbnails that I have made. Or then I will continue with 1,000 other thumbnails other YouTubers have made. I will just make an episode of I am breaking down that thumbnail. As I will see how they may have thought. I may even bring people who had made that thumbnail to break down what was their thought and what was their process and how many deletions had become, so we can see the backside of it. We will be breaking down the thumbnail styles from various creators that I already said. Now, next point. Today I got a really good idea that I want to make an announcement. First of all, I am clapping. We have made 10 episodes, so that let's celebrate. Now, for a very long period of time, there will be just one person clapping for you slowly, and that will be you. So, everyone goes through that, and it's just I will also have to be going through that same thing. Next point, I got a really great idea. I just got it. Today I got that could be really big in this field. It is, you become better by doing things a lot of times, but I really believe that it can be boosted by a feedback loop. So, maybe a community of designers in a feed who have worked in a particular niche of that YouTube thumbnail game can come together and critique your thumbnails. That would really be great. I think that this idea will create much more accelerated learning and much better results of that thumbnail. I'm gonna create that community for that, like a big community. I will grow this YouTube thumbnail games community and will add a part in that. But for now, I just thought, just do it. So I have created a Discord link. It will be in the description below. You can join the server. I'll give personal feedback daily, and it's only available to first 10 people who click it as of now. And as always, I've said, the YouTube thumbnail game will continue, and I will continue to bring guests and continue to come here and share this journey. It's just the start. The game will continue. The game lives on. We die. The game lives on. The YouTube thumbnail game was brought to you by CGR Designs, hosted by CGR himself. Thank you.